Hey, this is Alice from Downsize and Make Sense, and we are at the Tampa RV Show 2020. And this is the 5 things first time that we did while at the Tampa RV Show. And number 1, we're at the biggest, the baddest, the craziest RV show, and I talked to other RV van life YouTubers and just RVers that have gone to Hershey and other shows, and they said this is the biggest, and they said this is even bigger than last year. So can you imagine what 2021 is gonna bring? It's gonna be crazy. So this is it.
RV Super Duper Show.
Because it ain't just super.
It's super duper.
It's super duper.
You know more. How lies getting hypnotized. Picture someone else.
Pretty Creole queen, there's no place on earth.
I'm Theodore Roosevelt, President of these United States, war hero, and RV shopper. That's right, I wish we had these in the day. It would have made Yellowstone much more comfortable.
That's not padding, is it?
No,
That's the real thing.
it's all natural. That's Christmas time. That's what that is.
Well, while we were at the Tampa Super Show, we did actually look at RVs and campers. For instance, this is the Lance camper that we took a tour of.
Okay, we're stepping inside our new rig for Alaska.
That's right, you made the tour.
I love booths. I love that they have storage under the booth.
Yeah, they got some crazy
Bathroom is, of course, one of those dual, which, you know,
bathroom.
it's
Yeah,
so,
it's a wet bath.
It's
That's
a wet
actually
bath.
a really good sized wet bath. I'm really surprised. There I am right there. I'm really surprised that it's this size.
yeah, let's see what it,
It's a really good size. They're pretty close. It locks, honey. That's what
oh,
you
it
like,
locks.
right?
I want a lock on my bathroom. And again, smart, put a cover on it. Put a cover on that baby,
Nice.
so you can use it. And sink's small, but what do you expect? Fridge is a good size, hon. Look at
It's a
fridge
good
and
size
freezer.
fridge,
Look
yeah.
at this.
Wow.
Wow.
Let's see the freezer size.
You got lots of room up here.
Lay
Obviously,
down, honey. Let's see how comfy it is.
you'd have to get another bed.
Wow, that's a good shot right there. I like that shot.
Hey, hey.
Your legs. That looks good, yeah. Got a little TV.
So, yeah, that's a little wardrobe.
Right. That's cool.
Yeah. Oh, look at this.
Right there. Like a little storage area.
Yeah, it's a little storage area.
Got this little light up front.
And you got a little drawer over here. Oh, that doesn't open. It's got a little storage here, storage, I take it here.
This is for food and stuff. It's probably locked. Oh, there you go.
Oh.
A little latch.
Yeah.
Inside microwave.
At least this is easier to climb into than your Travato. Have a little curtain that has a little curtain for you. Look at the skylight, hon. See the skylight?
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's
And
pretty
it has
sweet.
like a thing that can close it.
I like that they give you this extra little step to get up.
Yeah. It's a cool little unit.
Yeah, it is.
Did
Wow.
you do it, baby?
Oh,
Let me ask
wait
you
a minute. Does this make another bed?
That
Because
makes
look,
another bed, yeah.
they have this up here that comes down, right?
Yeah, it does. It makes another bed.
Wow. Number 2, first time boondocking. And we do it at the RV show. Crazy, huh? And if you look around and see that we're in a giant parking lot, there's actually more cars here now than there were last night because it was mostly RVs and vanners here, but in the morning when they open the gates, they shove as many cars as they can in here as well. And so it has been crazy, no hookups, and we probably will do the 5 things we did wrong our first time boondocking because we're newbies, okay. 3, we met RV van life YouTubers, woo!
Hold on when you need a friend, I'll never let you go again. Reach out when your mind's uneasy, 'cause I'll understand. Hold on when you need a friend. Now I'm living in a matchbox. All this time, all it needed was a little spark. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head.
4, we were interviewed by an RV van life YouTuber.
Did you see Justin, Christina, and here they are. Justin and Christina's van life. We used our trailer, was their interviewing studio, if you will. They got to interview a couple channels in here.
Okay, Justin and Christina, RV van life. We can't get rid of them. They're following us everywhere. What are we gonna do?
Puppy dogs.
Hi guys, this is Christina from Justin and Christina's RV Van Life interviewing Downsizing Makes Sense.
Hello. I'm Alice.
And I'm Larry.
And Chewy and Scrappy are
The little
in the
doggies,
RV.
the cute babies, the fur babies are somewhere. So we're here to talk about the entire process of going full time.
Yeah, it's
Because you
a process.
guys are a channel that their main objective is going full time.
Yes.
Why full time RVing?
Why not? No.
Why not?
Because we lived in the same house for 22 and a half years. The kids are grown and out, and the house echoes.
So you convinced her?
Yeah, I kind of threw the idea
Okay.
into her, and then she really jumped on it. She's like,
Well,
yes.
however,
However,
he said, she said. He said, we've got 5 years
Yeah,
to downsize and get everything out of the house. And I don't know what I was thinking. I saved every toy that my kids ever had.
ooh,
And I did it improperly, which is one of the things we'll go over, later in a video. And so I
stay
said,
tuned.
yeah, I have 5 years to do this, But then it's like, well, 2 years. And I was like, okay, I can
Why
do
was
it.
the 2 years?
And then it became 1 year because now you can say why.
I got rheumatoid arthritis, and we normally gonna do this when we were like 60. That was the 5-year plan.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, well, if I wait till I'm 60, I may not be able to do it when
Yeah,
I'm
we
60.
won't do it.
So
You may not enjoy it.
I came to her and it's like, we moved the plan up to like 1 year. So now in June.
1 year. So 5-year plan to 2-year plan to 1-year
1 year
plan.
plan.
Right.
And 5, we were on 2 RV YouTube live streams. Someone, 2.
I gotta say, your usual part. Come on in, say hello. So what?
This is Alice with Downsizing Makes
Hey,
Sense.
down.
Hello, downsizing makes
Yeah, great.
sense. Hi.
Great.
Larry's
Good to meet
taking
you.
care of the pups like a good daddy. Stickers and all sorts of things.
Okay.
We want to do.
All right, so who we got here, William? This is Aimless RV, and this is going to be the winning team here.
That's right.
So they have to build the tallest freestanding structure. You can't hold it now.
There's no architects in this group, as you can see.
All right. Highest point.
Yeah, take away an inch for doing it.
Okay, Russ.
The measurement in
9.5 inches. 9.5 inches. All right. Team one, baby. Team. So that's a good thing. Phoenix USA RV is not letting anybody go home empty-handed. So we've got some really cool T-shirts.
Now we have to eat it.
Here's a T-shirt.
Now we can exchange
them out to the right side. We got different sizes. We just grabbed a bunch. We'll exchange them out.
Larry.
The light guy.
hands. I don't want to touch it.
It's in a plastic bag.
Oh, okay.
If those are the wrong size.
Like this. Okay. Hey, I'm Alice, and Larry's holding the light, and we saved our big announcement for this live stream. We are officially going full time mid-February.
Thank you all for watching our exciting 5 firsts at the 2020 Tampa RV Super Duper Show. Things are going to be changing a lot, so make sure you come back and visit with us really soon. Please leave any questions or comments below. And see all the links in the description to all the wonderful YouTubers we met on this amazing weekend. This is an awesome community, so please be a part of it. And remember, downsizing does make sense.